The Yankees front office got to work quickly this offseason. Within a week of each other, they locked in their two longest tenured players for another season. 35-year-old outfielder Brett Gardner and 38-year-old starting pitcher CC Sabathia will be in the fold for 2019.
Fly ball, left center. Torres is rounding third. He's coming home. Here's the throw. He's safe. A two-run triple for Gardner. Swing and miss. CC is dealing.
Brett Gardner was drafted by the Yankees in 2005 and made his major league debut in 2008. Since then, Gardy has become just the fifth player drafted by the Yankees to collect at least 1,000 hits with the franchise, joining names like Munson, Mattingly, Posada, and Jeter. Gardner appeared in 140 regular season games in 2018, hitting .236 with 12 home runs and a .322 on-base percentage. His 95 runs scored ranked second on the team and 12th in the American League. The 11-year veteran also went 16 for 18 in stolen bases, the third highest success rate in the AL. CC Sabathia has spent 10 seasons in pinstripes, going 129 and 80 with a 3.74 ERA. The southpaw ranks 4th in franchise history in strikeouts and 7th in starts. With 14 more punch-outs next season, Sabathia will join elite company and become just the 17th member of baseball's 3,000 strikeout club. In 2018, CC went 9-7 in 29 starts with a 3.65 earned run average, his lowest ERA since 2012. And it marked his third consecutive season with a sub-4 ERA. Sabathia also posted the second best soft contact rate among American League starters with at least 150 innings pitched. Brett Gardner and CC Sabathia will be back in pinstripes in 2019. The two veterans are not only key contributors on the diamond, but are also invaluable assets in the clubhouse as the Yankees continue to get younger each and every year.